Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and today we are back shopping at ALDI. We're going to look for some new arrivals. We're going to look for some clearance and just see what treasures we could find today. Now, the brand Ferrix. This is a cordless edger trimmer. I like this. It's $50, so it starts off at a really great price. You don't have to worry about gas. You don't have to worry about having a cord long enough to plug it in. I'm just curious about the quality. I don't know too much about this brand, like how long they last or how well they work. And if you know anything about that, let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear about it. They still have the hose nozzles. You get 3 different ones, and each of them are $8.99. Now, this table lamp is a concrete table lamp. It's been here for a really long time, for weeks. Now, it started off at $50, now $12.49. Now, I do like these, all the different garden tools, but I like the shape of the shovels. You have that narrow one, there was one like square, and then you have a wider one here. And especially because depending on what kind of hole you're digging, you know, what plant you're digging it for, I like that because the narrow one, in my opinion, I think is really good for planting roses. And so these are really interesting in the price, $12.99 for them. And I like the long handles. This velvet hanger set, $12.99, and there's 30 of them in there. Or 32, my apologies, actually. And $14.99 for a king sheet set. They have the queen. There was somebody right next to me, so I did not get that price on hand. I like these drawer organizers, $3.99 each. And there are some really nice outdoor, like the gas grill cover. If you're in need of a new one, sometimes they tend to, even with the weather, they have to be replaced. $10, that's actually a really good price. And then I like this, okay, this is for the ground to put your grill on, $10. That is a really good price for the mat. And the pizza oven, now I got really excited. I thought this was like the other pizza ovens that you see like for $3 to, you know, they're a couple of $100s. I'm like, wow, this is only $40. This one actually goes in your grill. So it's in addition to if you already have a grill. And these bedspreads, 2 different ones, $34.99. So some really great items. This little area gets really crowded, so I am definitely trying to, you know, make sure I don't get in anybody's way. Now this lady's skirt, I like the material of it. It's that almost like leggings, feels super soft. I don't think it has any pockets. At $10, I'm actually going to grab one. I'm gonna grab this one. I don't know how the sizes are. I'm just going to get it a little bit large, and so it'd be a little bit more comfortable, but I'll keep you posted on that. Very exciting. Now for $10, you have lady slippers and the little headband. It's kind of hard to see the slippers in the back. Now the sizes, you want to double check the sizes. You see 5, 6, and then 7, 8. I'm hoping there's like maybe 9, 10 in the back, but think about it, I'm like an 8.5, so I'm not sure which size I would be, but $10, not a bad price for those. Now this rug pad for $2.50, I'm definitely grabbing one of these. That's always nice to have on hand, and that price honestly cannot be beat. Now how cute are these ALDI bags? They're $10. These sell out so fast. Look how cute they are. Like the ALDI gear where they have the shoes and the outfits. Yeah, those sold out within days. But this is really nice. I like it has the wire edge, so it really is going to hold the frame. Now the mug tree and that coffee pod organizers, they've already marked these down from $14.99 down to $7.49. Now these pots are actually really nice. They were $24.99 down to $12.49. It's a really beautiful lavender color. These are really nice, especially if you do any canning or, you know, for jelly, whatever you want to make in these, honestly. But I like the size of them. It's good to have a large stock pot like this. So really pretty. I do like the purple. And the price is unbelievable. And the sparkling water, it's soda maker. Yeah, $22.99. So some really nice stuff. At $7.99, the stainless steel hydration bottle. I like the matte grip. It almost has like silicone. Now this will fit in your car very easy, but there's no straw or anything. You just take it off and you can just drink right from it. So I like this actually. I'm not gonna get it. I don't need any more, but now these have been here forever. $7.99. They finally are marking these down to $5.59. They're just not selling. I think it's because they're kind of like a Ray Dunn copy, and for some reason, yeah, it's just they were not the best sellers. Now these have been marked down. $8.49. The Farmhouse Pitcher. And those are the matte. I really like those. $8.29. These have already gone down in price. These with those geometric planters. There's two of them. So there's one you can put on the tabletop, and there's another one you could actually hang, which is really cool that they have those. The BBQ Caddy. Now this is a really great item for anybody who loves to barbecue. You have your paper towels, holds all the items you need. Now the price is a mystery. Now the fryer pans, these are really nice for the grill. You have a choice. You have the round or you have the longer, the rectangle. I like the handles on that one. Those are $14.99. And the lighters. Now this is a 3-pack. And these are $5.99. I love the Flex. The Flex one is one of my favorites. And the price is actually pretty decent. But that's one of the things I do love about Aldi. They really do have some great pricing on items. And this grill and bake, these mats, if you're grilling, you know, any small items, maybe shrimp or different veggies, you can put that right on the grill. You don't have to worry about losing it. And for $12.99, the garden line. These are those 3-in-1 portable zapper with the lantern. So this is going to help protect against the bugs. See right there. We've got the light. If you have used this in the past, definitely let us know. I think you could charge it up. Yeah, water resistant, easy to use, which is what we like. $9.99, the curtains. And these are pairs. So there's 2 of them in there. It was so tight in that box. I didn't want to pull it out. I would not have been able to put it back in. Really pretty though, at least what I could see so far. The wall sconce, this is really nice. I like that. I like the options of it. You could do hardwire or just hang it up and plug it in. It's a good size box, but I like the options of it. It's a really nice style. And the price, let's see if we get the price. $24.99, not a bad price at all for those. Be interesting to see how fast those sell. Now for $30, with the warm weather, if you need a window fan, I've had one of these before in the past. Just when we moved to a different house, it just didn't fit our windows anymore, but that was a really nice option. Now the acrylic jewelry organizer, $14.99. Now that's a 2-piece set. Honestly, my daughter would like that. She's been collecting bracelets and necklaces. And then here is a jewelry organizer. I don't know if it's 1 piece or those are 2. Oh, 2-piece set, okay. But $14.99 for those, not too bad. And then here's the men's 2-piece pajama set, already been clearance down to $7.99. It's funny because I'm here every week, and you would think that these been here for, you know, a couple of weeks. This is new. So you have 2 different styles. And here is more of the items for barbecuing. Now $3.99, not a bad price. You get the spatula, you have the brush cleaner, and then the tongs. I'm gonna get the tongs out. Those are some good size. Those are nice and long. for $3.99. Not a bad price for those. And I like the silicone grip. Oh, the fruit baskets are back. These are always really nice. And it has a little hook. You can hang your bananas. $12.99. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good price. I like those. And the ceramic non-stick saute pan, $16.99. So there's two different ones. This is a two-piece set. And then you have the saute pan right there. And these are really interesting. So to go with your barbecue, you have your dry rubs. You have four different flavors. The coffee and the dry rub, it's so new, but it works. There's something about coffee, and yeah, there's something about that. It just works. Now, the Carne Asada seasoning. I'm very interested in trying these. I'm actually going to grab one. It's $6.89. If you have used this, let me know in the comments below. I cannot wait to try it. I'll keep you posted as well. $4.48. The Cold Brew, the caramel Cold Brew M&Ms. Now, I'm not the hugest M&M person, but you know, when you say cold brew, I think of coffee. It sounds good to me. And for $10, $9.99, these, okay, this is another nozzle, the hose nozzle assortment. What's funny is these are really light compared to the ones we saw earlier in the video that were $8.99. We also saw those last week. These are $1 more, but the other ones feel like better quality. So I would love to grab each and compare, but I just don't have the time for that. The time, and that's a lot of extra money too. And now I like this. It looks like it's the shape of a heart. They're all like intertwined, and I can't get it out of the box. This is to hang your hose on. I really like it. I have a spot in my backyard, and we have an old plastic one that's really needs replacing. But the garden hose, 50 feet. It's a good size, $20 for that. Now here's another, the cordless. This is Ferrix, the brand we saw earlier. We saw the Edger. Here is the leaf blower, 20 volts. It's super light. And I know some of them, like my parents had an older one. It was so heavy. Now this one already been marked down to $40. So it's cordless. It does come with the battery. You just have to charge it up. And I like that. It seems like it is small, but that's a perfect size. Now $5, the shrimp bites. Now these sound good. Sometimes I wonder, let me throw it down. I wonder at times if it's too much batter, because when it's almost like too good to be true. Now the lobster bites, how much lobster is in here? But it sounds yummy. Like in my opinion, I would eat that whole bag in one sitting. And there's what, two servings? And for $5, now it's the crab cakes. It's called the value pack. Now it's with imitation crab. But I'm going to pass on these. $5 for that many crab cakes is always too good to be true. There's a lot of them in there. It's a good price. I'm not gonna chance it. Now $7.49. Now these crab cakes, they look a little better. More crab. And it's called the Maryland style. Now look at what we found. The pickles. These are my favorite pickles. Now I get these, I get a 32-ounce jar at Costco for $6.29. But if you don't have a Costco membership, they're here. Now they're $5.99. A little smaller. Now they're thick. These are super thick. I would almost cut those in half, and those are hot. I have honestly never had a spicy pickle. And then if you don't want anything spicy, then they have the regular. But these pickles are so good. These pickles are thick. So I like seeing all the different ones around. But yeah, they're so good. Look at all the herbs, that garlic down there. So tasty, so good. And the crisp of these, absolutely my favorite. And ooh, mozzarella cheese and the marinade, totally grabbing that. I love cheese. And the pizza ring. Now this looks really cool. The pepperoni pizza ring, Mama Cozy's, which is actually a really good brand here at Aldi. I do like their pizzas. $5.99. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming with me to Aldi's today. I hope your day is going great. Till next time we shop, take care, and I will talk to you later.